Oh, Harper, huge collision.
Oh, that's going a nasty one.
Of course, he was suffering from concussion the other night where he got hit on the head. I think that the handle might have got him near the eye.
In the air. It's going to take some catching. Up there. Collision. No collision. Comfortably. Oh, that's a question marks.
Thrown it out. He's hit his head.
All through his hands.
It's a sure one. It's hit him. Sconed him right in the grill. And
Really good bag of tricks.
oh, Harper, huge collision. And he's gone down heavily here, got in a tangle.
Short ball pulled. Oh, it's hit him in the head. That is some bad stuff. He's down for the count.
Hagar it is.
Odd shapes to the leg side. Doesn't get it out of the middle. He's lost the bat, and I think it might have hit Neville in a really, really nasty incident.
Oh, goodness, I didn't see that.
Tossed up again from Zampa. Oh, there's an interesting one. Off Neville's bat, looked to be off the stumps and back into Zampa's face.
Unfortunately this day,
Oh, that's going a nasty one.